The Bright Academy IB program is based on the International Baccalaureate Organizations program. We are the only IB primary years program in the district. All of our teachers are curriculum writers. They write their own curriculum based off of the Texas standards, and then we incorporate that into our units of study. It's a very global perspective, and all of our TEKs and unit are intertwined with all subject areas. We also have PE every day, along with Spanish as a world language. That's how Bright Academy is different than other Frisco ISD schools.
The IB school has prepared William for Frisco ISD and beyond Frisco, in that it has given him the ability to think critically. They help them learn to think, and not only how do we question, but how do we find the answer? He comes home and talks about research that he's done, whether it's been in the library or it's been on a computer, and then you see evidence of that research with different types of projects.
I would love for families to know that Bright Academy prepares students by giving them the opportunity and foundation to explore different learning styles, as well as becoming solution and action oriented with their learning. We embrace all cultures and students and all learners, and we teach students how to think outside of the box and outside of school and think about helping the world globally.